Knock, knock. Who's there? Mr. Process Server. Mr. Process Server who? Open up the door so I can serve you with lawsuit papers. Would you like to learn whether or not you have to open the door to accept those legal papers? Come join me as I share the answer with you. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. First of all, what is a process server? You see, when you bring a lawsuit in New York, we have to prepare legal papers known as a summons and complaint. The law then requires that we take those allegations in those documents and deliver it to the people that you are suing. And how do we do that? Well, lawyers hire people called process servers. They serve process, legal process. And what they do is they take those papers, and the best way to deliver them is personally. Hey, Mr. Jones, I've got something for you. And they hand them the papers personally. Now, when that happens, when they're able to personally identify who it is that they're going to be giving the papers to, now that person, the process server, is obligated to write out a document known as an affidavit. They have to swear that they served and they gave these papers to Mr. Jones on a particular date at a particular time, and they have to briefly describe that individual. Now, why do they do that? They do that so that now we can take that document known as an affidavit of service and show the court, hey, just want to let you know, Mr. Jones was delivered these papers at this time and this date. If we do not serve and deliver these papers properly, then Mr. Jones and his attorney have every right, legal right, to come before the court and say, Your Honor, we did not get notified properly of this particular lawsuit. Therefore, any order that you render in this case doesn't apply to us. And that would be absolutely correct. So what happens if the process server has to deliver these papers to someone's home? Knock, knock. Who's there? Well, my name is Mr. Gonzalez. Yeah, Mr. Gonzalez, what do you want? Oh, I have some papers here for you. Really? Leave it at the door. No, it's better if I hand deliver it to you. And they refuse to open the door. What happens then is now the process server has an alternative. They can leave a copy of the papers on the front of the door, and then they're obligated to send a copy of it by mail to that household. And then, again, the process server has to fill out a piece of paper and swear that's exactly how he served those papers. He left a copy attached to the front door, and he mailed a copy to this person's address. So why do I share this information with you? I share it with you to give you an idea and an understanding into what happens in the litigation process here in the state of New York. Understanding how legal papers are served and the various steps necessary to start your lawsuit is very important, and it's something you should know about. You know, chances are you have questions or concerns about your own matter, and if your matter happened in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day, and you can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10yahoo.com. I gotta go now. I hear somebody knocking on my door. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.